Why do 70% of our bodies thrive on water? Because water is life. Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. We are truly blessed and empowered to achieve greatness through the works of the wind, water, and sand. Our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, uses these elements to sustain all human life and monitors all the activities on the earth without error, both in the spiritual realm and the physical. To avoid blacklist after death, we are truly secured with the existence of the wind, water, and sand. Today is Sunday, the day we celebrate water for its marvelous work upon human life and all the living things on the earth. We present water to our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and language, to increase its blessings upon us. From today, may the water in your body system perfect every part of you to function well. May water be your best guardian, bringing you perfect health. Ici, meaning so shall it be. Remember, water is not just a necessity. It's a miracle from the divine. Drink deeply, live fully, and embrace the spiritual and health benefits that water brings. Happy Sunday from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. The blessings of the universe, Onya Endu Ikuku Achinike.